The OBD2 connector is the main testing hub for any OBD2 vehicle. Through this connector, tests can be done on the alternator, starter, power, and ground feed, and complete testing of the vehicle network, among other tests. Pins 4, 5, and 16 are chassis and sensor ground, and unswitched power respectively. The OBD2 connector, used as a diagnostic tool, should be the first place to look at during a no-start condition. Using pin 4, you can immediately tell whether the vehicle is grounded properly, test the battery and resistance points at the fuse box. Pin 5 tells you if the ECM is grounded correctly, test the main connectors, know if all sensors are working. And pin 16 allows you to test the ignition switch, main relay, battery, alternator, starter, and all power feed components. If you have no communications with the ECM, look at pin 16, which may be tied to the cigarette lighter. Look for a blown fuse at the cigarette lighter and internal lights, which may not be allowing power for communications. Some scanners will not communicate if this fuse is gone. Pin 4 is connected straight to the vehicle chassis. Pin 5 goes right through the ECM itself and is tied to most vehicle sensors. And pin 16, although is not switched, is usually connected to the ignition switch, steady power, fuse box and battery.